These are the solutions to the quiz at the end of lesson 7.2. So 1 had E, number 2 was B, 3 was E, and the solution here, since it's a calculation, we have T is 2.53 hours, which is 2.53 by 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour, so 3,600. Which will be 9108 seconds. And the distance is just the speed, which is speed of light times time, which is 3 by 10 to the 8 times 9108, which was 2.73 by 10 to the 12 meters. Now number 4, we have a frequency is 6.05 by 10 to the 18 hertz. Then wavelength, which is just C over F, is going to be 3 by 10 to the 8 over 6.05 by 10 to the 18, gives us 4.96 by 10 to the minus 11 meters. Now number 5, if we've got that wave looking like this, from one zero to the next zero, that is lambda over 2, and that equals 0.34. So we have lambda, which is double that, is 0.68 meters, and then the frequency is C over lambda is 3 by 10 to the 8 over 0.68, which will be 4.4 by 10 to the 8 hertz. Now number 6, we have the frequency of the MRI is 6.38 by 10 to the 7 hertz. So the wavelength of the MRI is going to be C over F is 3 by 10 to the 8 over 6.38 by 10 to the 7, which is 4.7 meters. Frequency of the PET scan is 1.23 by 10 to the 20 hertz. So that means the wavelength for the PET is C over F is going to be 2.4. I think you can fill in that step yourselves, to the minus 12 meters. Now the ratio lambda MRI over lambda PET is going to be 4.7 divided by 2.4 by 10 to the minus 12 is going to be 1.9 by 10 to the 12, or else if you did it the slightly faster way, I hope you got that the frequency of the PET over the frequency of the MRI is the same as the lambda of the MRI. Sorry, I didn't write that right. Over lambda for the PET, and you just divided the frequencies, so you didn't even have to work out the wavelengths. You could have just had the 1.23 by 10 to the 20 over 6.38 by 10 to the 7 to get the same number. Now number 7, we have magnetic field amplitude is the electric field amplitude over C. It is 3.20 by 10 to the minus 4 over 3 by 10 to the 8, and that gives us 1.1 by 10 to the minus 12 Tesla.